Alright, yeah, this is now one of the best hair extension that is trending right now, the Afro bamboo, and I hope you can also search for it. Trust me, you will love it. It is very, very soft, and we have it in all colors. So if you want to purchase one, you can just holler at me on that number that is in my description, so that I can send it to you wherever you are. Yes, now we're going to be doing the braids from these this Afro bamboo hair extension, and like as I told you, it is very, very nice. So for me, when I'm trying to do my braids, I always first make a point like to arrange my front, because for me the front matters a lot. So I always try to focus in front, so that if the front is perfect for me, then everything is just fine. So now sorry, as we're starting, you can see how I'm making my lines in front to be like, now these are going to be 2 lines in it. So I make sure that I bring it this way, so that I know when I reach here somewhere they might be like 3 or 4. So this is my path if I hold it this way. So why I always do this is just because sometimes you might do a mistake like while making these boxes, and then you find like you're trying to correct it, but when you're already in front. So I make sure for me that I separate that hair in the way that when I'm trying to make those braids behind, yes, if there is any mistake that I've done, it just remains behind, and then in front we just remain with the other one. Like in front we remain when we are perfect. Like any mistake that is done here should be behind, not in front. Or maybe sometimes it can be in the middle, but we should not allow it to be in front. So that is how it is. Now someone else is going to ask like, what method are we going to use? Yes, we're going to be using the inward knotless braiding. I know most of you guys have tried this method, and if you haven't tried, I know most of you have been seeing me doing this. So what we do, we just get our kinky looking like this, then we combine the two of them like this. Then after all that, we just do it this way, and then we start doing the braiding. So when you're doing the braiding, you just bring it here, and then this time around when I'm coming, I'm going to start it from down. So this one always helped me, because I always try to ask my clients like, how do you often style these hair? Now when the person tells me that they always hold it puff, I also try to make sure that I do it in the way that they can hold a puff very, very perfectly. Like if you tell me that you you always hold it puff like most of the times, or maybe you can leave it flowing like for some time, like just some time, but most of the times you do a puff, I also make sure that I do it in that way, not like in that way of holding a puff. So this time around we are doing these as they're going upwards. Okay, we are braiding them as they're going upwards, and this is what I'm trying to show you right here. So this is how you do it, and when we're trying to mix it with the hair, you make sure that all hair is inside and don't make it very tight. This is kinky. Yes, this is kinky. When you do it tight, it becomes very, very hard. So we just have to braid very softly, the way you can see. If you know how to use this method, if you can do braid with this method, it is very, very perfect for you. And this is how it looks. You just braid this way, very simple. Others, you can even reach here and then you change it to braid it like normally. but I would suggest, like, maybe if you're not yet a pro, just braid it this way, because it is a very very nice when you do it this way. And again, it depends on the height. Some ones are like the height somebody might want, and then you just do it the way it's supposed to be done. So those ones who would want to purchase this hair, please just go right in the description, get that link. The website is going to take you to my website, and then maybe you can order for yours. And then to those ones who are very far, please, you can use my WhatsApp number, and then I send to you direct. Okay, and send the hair where you are, then I can give it via these people who can bring them to your side. Now, as I'm braiding here, you see I'm trying to finish. So as we're finishing, this is what I was just trying to show you how I'm doing it. Then after, I just first come and I measure, because this is also very important. You know, sometimes clients tells us, I want something that is not long, okay, and then you measure it while it is still down, and then someone tells you, now that is very very long, maybe I would want it to reach the bra. But after it all, they forget that when you hold a puff, it now becomes very short. So that's why I always try to tell them before we go far, if we hold a puff, why it is going to stop. So this is the way that I've been braiding. Just this is this way, this goes this way. And then if you try to look at my thumbnail, I'm just using the three first these three, let me just like this, and then we just braid it this way. If you try to look at it, this is how I do braiding that way, and we start braiding it just like this. So it is very very, it's a simple thing. If you try it, trust me, you'll love it. So now as we continuing, this is what I was just trying to explain to you. Now let's try to look at this box like the way I was trying to explain. I think this side might also give you another position. Now you see, if I'm doing this side, you see where my comb is, the direction where my comb is showing, it is on the path. Okay, then I hold, this comes up and this goes down here. If you try to look at my thumbnail, this goes this way, and I start braiding this softly. You make sure that it's not that tight, and then I do braiding this way and this way, just like that, and so that we can continue with this. That's when we see it doing it this way. And then you just change your hand and you start braiding like the way I've been doing this. But before doing all this, you have to first make sure that the other partition is very safe and it's measured very well for your perfection, for the front perfection. Yes, that's how it goes. Now again, when I reach at this side, you can see how now I've changed. I'm now braiding going straight backwards, because I'm trying to figure it out to find my path where I can start from. So this one goes going behind, so that I find my path very very perfectly. So you can see the direction where this is going. The ones from down, I was braiding them going upwards, and now this one is just going straight to make it this right. So this is what I was trying to explain, that let's try to listen to our clients. Most of the times when they tell us the direction where they want this hair extension, that it's why you take it. When someone tells you that I want it to go this way, it's why you do it. And maybe still, if someone tells you mine needs to be falling down, so you can still braid it this direction, the one I'm on, you just all of them, we braid them looking down. That means it is going to work very very perfect. And now when you see here in front, it is still, I'm braiding it going behind, just because when it goes that way, it is going to find my path very, very perfectly. So for that, I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Happy New Year, guys. And those ones who have been following me, Happy New Year. So if it's your first time to be on this channel, just know that we always upload videos every week for you guys to learn. And yes, that is what I always want you to do. So for now, you can also click on that red button, ring the bell, so that you can always be watching all different videos of different hairstyles for you to learn every week. Now this is inward knotless braiding, and I'm using the Afro bamboo hair extension. It is very, very soft, very, very soft, and it is available in all colors. So let's do it and see how it is going to come out. And please, if you have any question that you would need to ask, I would like to see it in the comment section. Yes, so just do it right now and I'll be there to answer you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z, and we are located in Intinda Ministers Village. So if you want my service, that's where you're going to go. And again, I'm going to, at least in this year, I would want to do my tour to come and braid you guys. Those ones in the US. Yes, I'm surely very coming to see how we can do these things together. For now, let me try to sign out and we see how it is going to look at the end. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.